the world's kitchen, flavors and traditions. Julia, a cafe owner in Krakow, found a mysterious envelope slipped under her door. Inside was an invitation. Join us for a culinary journey around the world. The address led her to an old building on the edge of town. Curious, she decided to attend. The building was dimly lit with soft lanterns. A long wooden table stood in the center, surrounded by people who, like her, seemed intrigued. A tall, older man greeted them. "I'm Victor, and tonight I will guide you through the world's kitchens." The journey began in Asia. The first dish was sushi, representing Japanese balance and simplicity. Victor explained, "In Japan, food is not just sustenance, it's an art." Sushi embodies harmony between the rice, the fish, and the delicate seasoning. Julia savored the subtle flavors, understanding that Japanese cuisine was about balance and mindfulness. Next came Thai tom yum soup, bursting with bold flavors of lemongrass, lime, and chili. Thai cuisine is about harmony of contrasts, Victor said. It blends sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, reflecting the diverse influences on Thailand's history. From Asia, they moved to Africa. A Moroccan tagine, rich with spices like cinnamon and cumin, transported Julia to the bustling markets of Marrakesh. Victor described how Moroccan cuisine blends Arab, Berber, and Mediterranean influences, with spices at its heart. The next dish was Nigerian jollof rice, a vibrant and spicy dish loved across West Africa. Victor explained, "Jollof rice is a symbol of unity, shared at gatherings and celebrations. African cuisine is about community and connection." Europe was the next stop. The first dish was Italian pasta al pomodoro. Simple, yet rich in flavor. Italian cuisine is about simplicity and tradition, Victor said. It's about using the freshest ingredients and preserving recipes passed down through generations. The flavors reminded Julia of her own family meals, where food was a way to connect with loved ones. The next dish was French coq au vin, a slow-cooked chicken dish in red wine. Victor described how French cuisine values elegance and tradition, but also innovation. As Julia enjoyed the dish, she imagined French countryside meals, where food was savored slowly, celebrating life's pleasures. The final leg of the journey took them to the Americas. Mexican tacos al pastor, with marinated pork and pineapple, reflected the fusion of indigenous Spanish and Lebanese influences. Victor explained, Mexican cuisine is a blend of many cultures, evolving into something uniquely its own. The last dish of the night was Southern American barbecue, tender, smoky ribs with cornbread. Victor spoke of the melting pot of American cuisine, where traditions from Africa, Europe, and Native America combined to create something new. Julia reflected on the stories behind each dish, realizing that food was more than just sustenance. It was a way to connect with cultures, histories, and people. As the evening ended, Victor smiled. "Tonight, you've traveled the world through food. Remember, every meal you share is a journey in itself, connecting us all." Julia left inspired, knowing that through cooking she could continue exploring the world, one dish at a time.